Morning breakfast.
Morning.
Morning. On the river. And we got 3 baggy puppies up there, and Rocco's finishing someone else's food.
Sassy, Rocco.
Oh, be careful. You got this. You can do it. I have faith in you.
What you doing?
The end of a pee. I say as I dunk myself in the water.
Right. Alright, where are we at?
Feeding late.
Lake.
Oh, we're at 5.
Oh, we're at number 5.
Yeah, who's getting first?
Yeah. You're doing good. What do you think, kitten?
It's awesome. I wonder if you can do this at night.
Sure you can, but
I bet there's a lot of stalkers. Ooh. This should be kind of safe.
yeah,
They're gonna hold you.
I'll get out. I'm just recording you. Shut up.
Ooh, look at him go. Water baby.
Yay.
He's happy.
Yeah, I wanted this.
You want it? You got it. This is your world, honey.
Yeah, excuse me. I'm happy too.
He's gonna come see you.
Yeah, if I was happy.
He's coming to say hi.
Yeah, I'm a kid myself. You're a kid 3. She's a kid 2. Always young forever.
Yes, young forever. He's...
Nice. See myself in it.
Yeah, that's true.
We ain't got water like this back in the dump. How you doing, kitten?
I'm doing great. This is awesome. This is what we needed. I'm short.
Yes.
And trying to keep this kayak.
Love it. That's why I do it. Hey, remember that time you paddled out in the middle of nowhere and we got stuck and I had to eat you? We were only 200 feet from shore, too. It was wild. I couldn't tell.
You're a good cook, too.
Yeah, you didn't even complain. There you go.
Yay, we're back at this awesome camp spot again. With beer. Today we're making
Goulash. Yeah.
It's like a
Seasoned black beans.
yeah, we got black beans,
Angus
ground
hamburger.
beef, rice, some veggies. It's kind of like a picadillo. Like I said, what, tacos without the tortilla.
Rice is a substitute.
Yeah, I spilled a bunch of water there, and now Rocco's laying down on it because it's nice and cool. Whereas, well, she was sitting on a towel that was kind of cool. And Sassy Bear keeps going to try to meet new people. My ladies. My man.
Wait, my woman. All right, honey, let's eat.
How is it?
It's great. It's a little warm.
Weddle loves it.
Hers is cooler.
All right. Yep,
Beautiful.
time to eat.
If anything, an egg yolk would be like. Bam.
I know, I was thinking about that.
Were you?
Yes.
It's got a little bit of jalapeno in it. So it's got a little bit of heat. But other than that, it's great. I think we made a wonderful meal.
Mm-hmm.
Again, let's keep doing this.
Mm-hmm. And at the end of this day, we ended up hanging out with my dad and my stepmom, listening to some live music in Green, Texas, and then went back to that spot on the Guadalupe River that we stayed in the night before. Camp's there again. That was that. I just didn't record any of that. I think he got some, but I didn't send it to myself.
Thank you.
So yeah, that was that.